this canvas. I am gonna forego the design that's on there. I've got a ton of paint sitting on the table and I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to jump this design and just play around with the paint that I have left, and I'll redo that one some other time. So. Anyways, the technique I'm going to be doing is a technique that I picked up from an artist named Simon Bull. He's incredible, and if you've never seen his work, you should check it out. But I love the way that he moves paint around on a canvas with unconventional tools, and the end result is always breathtaking. So I'm gonna play around with that for a little bit today and see what happens. This was gonna be a series of really big scrapes and some shading and stuff. The idea isn't fully realized in my head yet, so that's why I'm kind of scrapping it at this moment. We got a lot of pictures of it though, so I can just go back and redo it. It's not a problem. I'm not crazy about that line right there, that pink color, because I think it looks too skin tone. It's not pink enough. So we'll see how it dries.